Hello, with Python programming and Turtle using the Trinket interface, we can create, let's say, a flower. Let's proceed. First of them, we import Turtle. We import the Turtle. Now we have to draw the petal. Let's proceed. We define function draw petal should be turtle petal length. Great. We'll use the range 2. And we use the moving forward and then turning, let's say 45 and 135 degrees for draw the petal, and for it we'll run the code forward petal length. We said we will use turtle right 45 degrees and turtle forward petal length, and we go further, turtle right 135 degrees. Now we'll declare the function draw flower with a specified number of petals, calling the draw petal function. And let's proceed. We'll define draw flower turtle petals petal length, I in range petals, draw petal turtle petal length, and now turtle right 360 degrees petals. Now we have it the petal, we have it the function for the flower, and we use the main functions to create an instance of a turtle, and over there we set speed, and we'll call the function draw flower for drawing the flower. Let's proceed with main. And over here there are all the declarations. Flower turtle equal and we get the speed. Uh, let's say 10. And draw flower, which is flower turtle petals, let's say equal with 7 petals, and petal length equal with 70, and turtle done. If name equal with main let's proceed, and this is our flowers. 7 petals, and this is our graphic. Thank you. See you.